Lyris has been around since 1994, so we've been in the email industry for an awfully long time. The interesting thing about email marketing is you look at the marketplace and you see a lot of people who claim to do the same sorts of things. And we're probably not the company that you're going to come to take your very first steps in email marketing, but we're the people that you're going to come to when you realize that actually there's more to be done from email. When you look at stats like the DMA in the US talking about getting $40 odd for every dollar that gets spent as a return on investment from email marketing, and then you suddenly compare that to what someone like Jupiter or Forrester would talk about with being able to increase that ninefold by taking on some of the advanced techniques. We're the company that'll help you get from that $40 odd to that $360 odd return for every dollar that gets spent. For dollars, pounds, it's a ratio. It doesn't matter about the foreign currency thing. So we're the people that you'll come to take your email marketing program to the next stage, so that you're really maximising the way in which you're communicating with your customer base. And so you're taking advantage of all the tools that are available to you that can help you to listen to what your customers are saying back to you through a range of different things that they might be doing directly or indirectly with your digital programs. I see a lot of marketers who have established email programs who are happy generally with the fact that they're using email as a channel to generate revenue for themselves. But typically it's the same three things that they keep coming back to that are the big problems that they run into and the things that they're trying to solve. The first of those is usually deliverability. Is my message getting through? Is it getting into the inbox rather than the junk folders? The second thing is resource, and it seems no matter how profitable your email program appears to be at first, you always feel as though you're under-resourced, you always feel as though there's more that you want to be able to do. So generally speaking, they're looking for somebody to help them out with that. And then the third part of that is list growth, and how do I find more people that I can extend my email program to make that success work harder for me. Lyris is an American company. As I say, it's been around for about 15 years. But the UK team has also been together for quite a long time. And although that UK business was only recently bought by Lyris to give the UK footprint, one of the reasons why Lyris was so keen to buy that business is that the team that were Facultas, Andrew Robinson's business, have been helping email marketers to deliver excellence in their email campaigns for about 5 or 6 years now. So they've been working with, particularly in the retail sector and with strengths in areas like fashion retail, they've been working with the likes of the House of Fraser and Kudos and Kitbag and Matches Fashion, quite a long list of high-profile clients, and really helping those businesses to generate those much better returns from investment that I was talking about earlier on. So how do you choose between which email company you're going to work with? There's a lot that you can talk about around things like usability, but broadly speaking, most companies can do the things that you're going to need them to do for you within the email discipline itself, and probably do them pretty well. What becomes interesting is where email fits in the broader marketing mix, particularly the digital marketing mix, because it really is just part of the conversation. It's part of what your customers will see from you. And it's probably only a part of the activity that you've got going out there in the marketplace. And the ability to actually pull all those things together is one of the things that really sets Lyris apart from the rest of the pack. So for example, we have a built-in web analytics tool that allows you to see what your customers are doing right the way through their journey through your website. We've got bid management tools that sit in there so you can just see what's happening right from the point of people first discovering your website, right the way through to being able to identify which messages are leading people to recommend other people to come and visit your site as well, so helping you with that list growth part of it as well. So the ability to pull all those things together into one coherent strategy, I think, is probably the key thing that sets Lyris apart. So Lyris is going to be an internet world, and as well as being able to show you what the software itself does, the other critical thing is that we can introduce you to the people who actually know how to help you get the best, to mine those nuggets of gold from your email campaigns. So giving you some actual practical tips and advice, whether you choose to do business with us straight away or whether you just want to have a chat to analyse how things are going, we can really help you to pinpoint some of the things that you can do straight away that can really help you to lift your game in the email marketing sphere.